Okay, so let's take a look at the exercise tracker app in Google Appsheet. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create the database. So click create, then click on database, new database. Now here I'll be putting the tabular structure. Now I'll be naming this database as MyDB, then new table, right? And here I'll be removing the column, and in a new column, as you can see, I'm adding exercise, which is going to be text. I will put this as a label so that I can remove the unused previous label column. Right now I will add one more column as date with the type date time date. Then there is also duration, which is going to be another date type date time and duration, right? So we have like these three columns. We have few more like weight. So weight is going to be a number. If you want it within text column for typing in the kg or lbs, you can use that, but I will use number and treat it as kg based, right? Then we can also have sleep for keeping track of that number, so that overall exercise tracking we have some number. Then comes Celsius, for which also we are going to make use of number. Finally notes, then type would be text. In table 1 I'll be removing that, considering we are not using it, right? Now table 2 will name this as exercise tracker, or you can even make it as overall health tracker, because we are counting things like sleep, then current temperature, weight, duration we are like doing exercise, etc., right? So once we have this tabular structure, we can go to dashboard, where I'm going to choose for app. So click create app, start with existing data. Here I will type in exercise tracker app. Then we have like education and training as category. Choose your data, then you choose Appsheet database. Then we have our exercise tracker table. Click create app, and then you have your tabular structure in app created. Now here we will make few changes, considering we don't have data as of yet. We can experiment with it. So close the view, click create views, and then here choose tabular view. If you have sorting option, you can remove that and save this. Then click your desktop. Right now, as you can see, I can add new entry. Let's say walking is my first exercise. Then we have this particular duration. So let's say I will choose 00 10 10. So 10 minutes I have done walking. Weight is, let's say 88. Sleep is 5 hours. Celsius 12. Okay, so we save this data and we have tabular structure like this. You can even make map out of it, chart out of it, so we can see the weight reduction or gain. Then we have like sleep also tracked, temperature, so on. So this was exercise tracker app within our Google App Sheet.